And now we've let it cool. You don't want to rush this procedure because it takes a long time for lead to cool down.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to stay hot for a while, and it's kind of a little bit like wet paint. You know, people will come along and stick their fingers in it.
They should.
And so don't do that.
So there you have it, making wooden cleats.
Yeah, it really is a whole lot easier than when you're just thinking about it right ahead.
Yeah, and it is a beautiful piece of sculpture. It's just
functional sculpture as well.
And a functional piece for your boat.
Well, yeah,
which is why you're
and
doing
you get exactly what you're looking for. Whether you want a little cleat that sits on top of the centerboard trunk, for example.
Yep.
That's fine. You want something for the dock, that's fine. You want something for a tie-down cleat on the hull. Yep. That is fine as well.
Yeah.
But again, it's like everything else. You want to think about all your steps ahead of time. When you're cutting this out, you're using the bandsaw, and the bandsaw it's a saw and it's not your friend. So you want to think about every single operation before you do it.
Right.